Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Tech Tutorials and Free Softwares. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 screen recorders that are completely free, which are not OBS Studio. Because I know a lot of you guys may have lower end PCs or without GPUs, and OBS's newer updates require you to have the GPUs. Okay, I use Bandicam. I used to use OBS in the past, but for me, Bandicam is much more lightweight. It is a paid software. You do get a free trial with it. Okay, so you can just do a quick Google search for it and find out the prices of it. But for the purposes of this video, we are only going to cover 100% free screen recorders. If this is something that interests you, watch this video all the way till the end, okay, to see the different choices you can have, so you can test them all and see which one works best for you. If you like videos of free softwares, downloads and tutorials, then subscribe to my channel or check out any of my older uploads, as they will all provide immense value to you in your online business. Okay, so the first screen recorder we are going to cover is FreeCam. Okay, the website is freescreenrecording.com. Okay, and it's a free tool for creating screencasts. You also get the pro version, okay, but right below it also shows all the features you can get with the software. Okay, you can record specific areas of your screen. Select a screen recording area. You can even record your voiceovers by plugging in your mic. Okay, for those of you that do not have a mic, I will be uploading a video shortly on how you can use your cell phone as a mic. Okay, you can record your sound systems, which means any background applications or music in the background that's playing on your desktop. You can also highlight the cursor of your mouse, and it's completely free. It also gives you the option to actually just trim your videos parts where you may have made a mistake. I know I do a lot of times, okay, but I use a different video editor for all of that. Okay, and then you can share your videos straight to YouTube or just save it as a video. Okay, and it's completely free to download. Okay, so the website name again is freescreenrecording.com. Okay, the second tool we are going to show you is DVD Video Soft. Okay, now they also have a free screen recorder. Okay, and it basically gives you more or less the same features as the FreeCam one. Okay, they also have other different tools you may want to look at. Okay, you can record screen activities including on-screen changes, speech from microphone, and the mouse movements. Capture multiple windows and objects including multi-level menus. Resize, crop and rotate output images. Record your screen video to MP4 files. Highlight your cursor path for clarity. Save in BMP, JPEG, GIF, TGA or PNG formats. Run when Windows starts, which is optional. I would not actually turn on that option. Free screen video recorder contains no spyware or adware. Record video with sound from microphone. It's clearly free and absolutely safe to install. Now, DVD Video Soft is open source software. Okay, it's maintained by the public for the public, and they work on donations, so there is no ads or spyware or any things of that nature. Okay, the website name is, again for you guys, is dvdvideosoft.com. Okay, so the third one is going to be ShareX. Now, just like DVD Videosoft, they also have a donate option, because they run on complete open source and donations from the public for the public to keep it free. Okay, and it works on Windows 10, 8.1 and also 7. Now right here they show you more or less what the tool looks like inside. Okay, you can see more screenshots here if you want, but it also follows the basic features. It has the basic features as all the other two that I've actually shown you before. Okay, you can capture active Windows custom region, scrolling captures, all of that, region capture. You can even upload straight to YouTube if you want to. Okay, that's basically it. Okay, there's not much more to say about this tool. Okay, but you can also see they do give you the option for a lot of more other tools that you can use. It's all completely free. So if you are currently using software or which is not working properly for you, especially screen recorders, then you can come and check this one out as well. Now number 4 is going to be Cam Studio, which is also open source free desktop recorder streaming video software. So just like with OBS, this screen recorder also allows you to stream your videos directly to Twitch or to YouTube if that's what you are doing. Okay, you can create demonstration videos for any software program. Okay, you can create tutorials for school or college classes. Okay, whatever the reason you may want to use it. Okay, they basically also follow the same functionality as the previous ones I stated before. Okay, but just with a few less features. Okay, more similar to OBS. Okay, but nonetheless it is still free to use, and it is a lightweight screen recorder for lower end PCs. Okay, now the last one will be VSDC. Now VSDC has been around for quite some time. Okay, I used to use the VSDC video editor in the past to edit my videos. I use Movavi now, which I find much easier to use. Okay, but nonetheless VSDC also rely on donations, and it comes available in many different languages. Okay, they also don't serve you any ads. You can save your videos in any format, record sound from various external sources. Okay, support of drawing during video capture. Currently what Bandicam allows me to do, which is this. Okay, so you can do all of that with the VSDC. Okay, possibility to create tips that will appear after mouse clicks or key presses. Okay, possibility to create mouse position and key press tracking maps. So all of that you get for absolutely free with the VSDC screen recorder. Okay, but that's all for me for today, guys. Just a recap of the sites. I'll just put the names or the URLs on the screen for you here right now, and those are the ones you can see on screen at the moment. So if you are looking for any free screen recorders, then these are the ones that you should try if you are not looking to use OBS as all the other people on YouTube. Actually, most of the videos on YouTube actually cover OBS as a free screen recorder. Okay, it's not just the only option out there. Okay, so feel free to just browse through these and see which one works for you best, and then test them out at your peril. Okay, that's all from me for today, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. It does help out my channel tremendously. I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.